Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can make a VHS effect in CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Once you've opened the video you want to make a VHS effect on, you're going to edit it to make the VHS effect, and there are several VHS effects that you can choose from. Now once you've opened your CapCut app and you're on the editing, you're going to press on the video. For example, you're going to press on the video and now you're going to see this. You're going to see a blue border as well. That means you've selected it and you're going to see this menu on the bottom. Now from here you'll go on effects. Once you go on effects, you'll go on video effects. And now here you can look at all of these effects. There are so many effects that you can choose from, and you can search the effect you want to choose as well. But for now we're going with VHS. So what we're going to do is we're going to search up VHS right here. So you can search up VHS in the search bar, and once you do that you will see all of these VHS effects that you can use. There are so many. Some are compatible with Pro, so if you have CapCut Pro you can use these. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you still have all of these options to choose from. As you can see, the ones you can use with CapCut Pro, you can see a Pro is written on it, and if there is no Pro written on an effect, that means that you can basically use it as well. You can see all of these options that you have, all of these VHS options that classify as VHS. For example, we have this is a VHS effect that you can use simply. You can use this as well. This is another VHS effect, and you can see these are all the VHS effects that you can use, that you can choose from. So once you search VHS, you can go through this list. You can go through all of the different VHS effects that they've made available, and you can select one of them, and after you do that it will automatically be applied on your CapCut video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.